Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and I have some more goodies from the Happy Planner. These are all part of the fall release. The release goes live on September the 8th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The preview is going to go up on September the 6th, so you can check out all of the different items. There are literally hundreds of things going on sale in this release, and it's awesome. So I have covered a ton. There's a ton of videos on my channel covering all the different planners and stickers and goodies that the Happy Planner sent me. In this video, we're going to talk about some of the accessories, some of the extras, and then we're also going to include the Work Plus Life line, which I think we're going to start with. So the Happy Planner started the Work Plus Life line last year, and this line is really meant as like a very sophisticated, kind of more sleek looking line for those who like to plan and want to look a little bit more professional, that kind of feel. So let me open this up so I can show you. Man, this is packaged super well because it does not want to come off at all. So let's get this open. Wow, that was packaged really, really well. Good job, Happy Planner. Let's take this off. Okay, let's do a look at this planner. So first of all, gorgeous. Black. Love the pebbling look to the front. It says 2023. It's embossed right here, which is super nice. You open it up. The rings, as you can tell, are kind of, it's not that they're in there. Like, this is not coming out. Those rings are in there. So you have Work Plus Life by the Happy Planner. This is your look at the year ahead, year at a glance, accounts and passwords, and then some pre-planning pages for you for 2023. And then it's super simple. You're not going to see color. You're not going to see drawings. It's just very sleek. You have your notes page, January, and we go straight into that month. And then this is a vertical layout. So really simple. February, you have a little quote here, which I think is nice. March, April, May. So you get the idea how these are going to be for the Work Plus Life. I love this for those of you that like super neutral, those of you that work in a very professional environment where maybe a hot pink cover is not the way to go, then this might be good. I think this is going to be a fantastic planner for my husband to use, in all honesty. So I'm excited to show this to him. I think he's going to really like it. So I received this, and then I also received this set of stickers, which are kind of like a bunch of headers, I think, in a lot of different colors. Let's take a look. It's kind of a mini sticker book in the Work Plus Life line. We have all these headers in foil, top tasks to do, then you have it in the pink. So like I said, it's like an essential, the orange color, kind of a peachy, a yellow. Essentials for your planner, a little bit of color, but it's not going to be like overboard. All the pages are the same, just different colors. So that is what I received from the Work Plus Life line. Not my typical vibe, but I know so many of you prefer a planner that's just a little bit more, like I said, sleek. It also comes with a folder at the back, which is super awesome. I'm not sure that they all used to do that. So gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous planner. That's the Work Plus Life. I think they also have it in a few other colors as well. So definitely worth checking out. I also got some new washi tape. So let's check it out. Always love new washi tape. I feel like this line is called Beautiful Blooms, but I'm not totally sure, to be honest. But we got some gorgeous florals. So black with copper polka dots. Then this one says C'est la vie. So pretty. This one is a beautiful soft floral. Love it. This gives me fall vibes for sure, even with the florals. I wonder if this would go really well with the Harvest book. I bet it does. The Fall Harvest sticker book. These are beautiful. And this one says Bloom. So those, let's see, you get 7 washi tapes in there. I love that they're starting to release washi tapes with their collections again. There are, I think I know there's at least one other washi tape set. I think there might be two. So again, check out the preview when it goes live. I think these are so pretty. They kind of scream fall to me. Do they not? Like, that's a beautiful fall palette. All right, I also received some gorgeous metal discs. These are like a turquoise teal color, but they have kind of like a powder coating on it, in that they're not like the same shiny metal like the gold ones are, but I think they're beautiful. These are classic size. I think that's a gorgeous color. I can't wait to figure out what covers I have that might go with that particular set. So excited to try those metal discs out. I received these bookmarks that kind of feel, do they not feel like they go? So I think those are part of the same line. Let's check out these bookmarks. Usually bookmarks come 2 in a pack. Yes, this one says bloom. This one has gorgeous butterflies. And again, you just pop these in your planner and use them as, you know, page holders, things like that. Love these little accessories for being able to like customize your planner, make it really fit your style. Then I got some filler paper, and this is half sheet filler paper. It's sized for your classic, but it's a little bit different. Let me show you. Let me just see if I can pull out just one. Okay, it says get it done. You have your date, task list, but then you open it and there's room for notes. I love that. I think that is so cool. And then the back has this on it. So like, in all honesty, a very practical way that I would use this because of how I plan. Instead of get it done, I might cover that up and put prayers, and I would list things that I'm praying about or people that I'm praying about. And then I might actually write out my prayer, like journal style, in here. So my actual prayer is hidden. This is like my prayer list for the week. And maybe I'm praying multiple times. Maybe I'm doing one long prayer on a Monday, whatever it is. But I like that it gives you some options. This might be a list of things you need to get done. And then you just need to take notes during meetings, during email, Zoom calls, whatever it is. That would be another, you know, great way to use these really functional half sheets. Again, you just throw a couple of these in your planner and use them as needed. Love that. And then I received this gorgeous new cover in a new color. And I'm so excited, you guys. This is so pretty. It's like this soft, leathery feel. It snaps in right here. And it has pockets, which we all know, pockets make everything better. This is a gorgeous color. These came in like a stone color and a black, and as someone that likes their color, I'm all about this one. I think that is so, so, so pretty. So this is a new cover that's also, it's a deluxe snap-in cover. So, so pretty. I put this in totally wrong. Okay, here we go. All right, so these are some of the gorgeous goodies. I got some of the ones that aren't the stickers. I do have flip throughs of all of the new planners I got, all of the stickers I got, all of the things are on my YouTube channel. So make sure to check out the full playlist for the fall 2022 release. I think you're going to love watching it. I'm getting excited about the release. There are a ton more things that I don't have. I have a ton, and there's a ton more. So make sure to check out that preview. I do have a link in the description box below. It is an affiliate link. It doesn't cost you any more to shop that link, but it does go a long way towards helping this channel. So if you're able to come back and shop that link, it really means the world to me. Let me know what you think. I want to hear what you think of this gorgeous planner, the Work Plus Life, and then let me know how you feel about the new color for this particular cover. I'm kind of digging it. It feels spring to me. This feels spring, not so much fall, so I might end up saving it for sure. But I think it's really, really pretty. So I'd love to hear your opinions in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.